Hey everybody, I'm Josh. Welcome to Tetrahedron Town. What we got here is another prototype. This is a pulse engine prototype. So in a normal powertrain setup, you have your input and your output are directly linked. Think of it like a bicycle. You have your pedals here. They go straight to the rear axle. There's no disconnect. In a pulse engine, you have a disconnect. You have a capacity to accumulate energy somewhere, and then it comes back into your normal powertrain setup. So in this design, we're using springs to accumulate energy, and we have a locking mechanism right here. This plate will go down, and there's a roller bearing right there, which this plate will lock up on. And after the springs accumulate their little energy, this can move, the roller bearing rolls, and it releases the energy back into the rear axle setup. So what that looks like is, here's your input. All right, now that plate is locked up with that roller bearing. The springs are accumulating torque. All right, see that little ratchet mechanism back there? That gives you the ability to, so now there's energy stored in this system. Now we pull this, transfers energy into the rear wheel. And you keep doing this. Woo! Exciting stuff. Okay, here's what I want to do. I want to get my scale, see how much torque. One of these days I need to get a little organized. Okay. So give us some sort of idea how much torque we're getting at that back wheel. I'm gonna get a better grip on it. All right, well, got up to about 20 pounds of torque. Need to add another zero to that, and then I think we'll have something cool. So anyways, super raw prototype. I left this out in the yard actually for a couple of years, and it got a little rusty. I had to take it all apart, grind it down a little bit, but it's pretty cool. I think there's something here to work on. I think there's some cool things about the pulse engine, and there's a mechanical version of it. Cool. All right, we'll see you on the next one.